Today we will be learning a new sound, and this sound is oo. Hiding behind this sound are some special friends. Special friends are two letters that make one sound, oo. Your turn. Oo. This man is at the zoo and he is collecting some very smelly poo. Poo at the zoo. Your turn. Poo at the zoo. Oo. Now when I show you this side, I want you to say poo at the zoo. When I show you this side, I want you to say oo. Let's see if we can practice. Oo, poo at the zoo. See if we can have a go. As speedy as you can. Well done. Fred talk. Now remember, when you do Fred talk, I want to hear you say the sounds. Special friends. Fred talk. Zoo. Special friends. Fred's talk. Two. Special friends. Fred talk. Moon. Special friends. Fred talk. Zoo. Special friends. Fred's talk. Spoon. Fred in your head. This means that I do not want to hear any sounds. Remember, you're going to say all of the sounds in your head. Let's go. Vet. Jog. Speedy read. You should know how to read these sounds super fast. Are you ready? Speed read. You should know how to read these words very speedy. Fabulous job. Now, these alien words, what a load of nonsense. You can pause the video and see if you can use your sounds, your Fred talk, to read these words. Remember, alien words are a load of nonsense. What can you see? That's right, I can see boots. Very shiny boots. I can see boots. Can you say that sentence? I can see boots. Your turn. Let's see if we can whisper the sentence. I can see boots. Let's see if we can say it in a robot voice. I can see boots. Fabulous. Now what you need to do is you need to look at all of the sounds in the words. Look at these special friends. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can write this sentence that we have held in our minds. I can see boots. Now remember, what do we need over here? Capital letters, right. And we need finger spaces and a full stop. So what you need to do is hide the sentence, then go and write it down one more time before you go off. I can see boots. Your turn. Well done.